tight. Carol popped its pants when it sees everyone coming towards it.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass.
Hello, yeah, you beautiful people, you. Oh, it's I think it's Wednesday. Oh, I've kind of lost track of days. I think it's Wednesday. I've just tipped 2 brand new Scanias at Scania dealership in Grimsby. And we're going to tootle around to Auto Trail now and grab a couple of motorhomes. Don't know where we're going because we've got a new app on the phone, and it doesn't allow us. It only allows us to see where we're going next. It doesn't allow us to see where we're delivering to, which is really inconvenient and a real pain in the butt. I guarantee you don't let me out. So, magical mystery tour at the moment. If I ever get out of here, do you want to vote him to let me out? Too busy reading paperwork. Obviously you can't see because you've got side camera on now, haven't I? Going backwards. Thought I'd do that for a change. You should have just seen a bit of time lapse of me. I don't know if it was time lapse or normal speed. I don't know. But should have seen me just tipping those 2 prior to seeing my fat face. Get on. Oh, somebody stole my microphone. Right, might be able to hear me now. Oh well. Take a bit of curb because it's a bit tight. There you go, we're out. Lift my axle up. Well, what a weekend it was. Obviously, last time I spoke to you guys was actually on Friday. You saw the mini vlog. Sorry, you saw the weekly vlog on Saturday night and the mini vlog on Monday morning. Appreciate your really kind words and comments on the mini vlog. I enjoyed doing that one. Well, I enjoyed the last. Well, I enjoyed it all, but you know, I particularly enjoyed the last part. That's volume. I'll turn temperature down. So I left home 4 o'clock on Monday morning. With just about everything crossed when I got in the yard, hoping that the truck would start, because I got up on Friday morning. Well, you guys probably you won't know. I've been having night heater issues, which I know you're aware of. So I ended up going into Thirsk Scania dealership, and they had another look at the night heater, because after the pump was refitted on Wednesday in Runcorn, they fitted a new water pump to it, to the night heater. Still didn't rectify the issues, so I ended up back in Scania on Thursday morning. Still with the same fault, so they had another look at it. They found another reason for it. Anyway, they sorted that. I got up on Friday morning, and the truck barely started. I mean, it was really, really sluggish to start. It's normally pretty good. So I think side camera's just gone off. Battery was really, really low on it. I think it has. It's not flashing anymore. So you might just have to put up my mug for a bit. Sorry. I'll stop shortly. I'll switch it back to the phone, put it on charge. Yes. So I went into Scania on Thursday, had that repaired. Got up Friday morning, hardly started the truck, barely started, and then went to work, did my job on Friday. I got to Grimsby to Auto Trail Friday evening, unloaded out of there, pulled up outside the gates because I was out for the night on Friday again, and I was sat, I did my paperwork and all that stuff. I had a little Mac light on, I had my night heater on, and I had my laptop plugged into a power inverter, and within about 2 hours the power inverter's screaming at me. It has a low battery warning on the power inverter, just so you don't drain your batteries fully. I tried starting the vehicle and it only just started up, so I just shut everything off, read my book for a bit, went to bed. Got up on Saturday morning again, it barely started. So we get to Monday morning, like I said, driving to work, fingers crossed, toes crossed, eyes crossed, hoping I'd get to start. Not a chance, absolutely not a chance. Turned the ignition, and it was just clicking, absolutely dead. Couldn't have been any deader. Yeah, I won't put camera on because I'm not as far away as I thought I was. So yeah, I ended up in Scania at Quick. I went to our depot at Rugby, dropped my trailer in there. I got a jump start off one of the other lads in the yard at Markham Vale. Drove down to Rugby, dropped my trailer in Rugby, went to Quick, Chuck East at Quick, and they tested the batteries to find one of the batteries was dead. It's failed, so I've had a new battery fitted. And well, wow, that sun is really, really bright. Yeah, so far so good. Night heater's working nicely. It starts when it's supposed to start. Starts quickly as well, which is good. It turns over really fast. So I'm happy with that. Not happy that my camera's gone flat. So what they say in the army, 5 P's? Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Proper preparation prevents 6 S's. I'll keep up, it's been a long week so far. They probably said it's Wednesday. I went to Guildford on Monday with the 2 motorhomes I loaded on Friday. From Guildford I went to Portsmouth, picked up 2 trucks out of Portsmouth. That sun's horrible. Took them to Wisbeach yesterday. Spent 2 hours waiting for them to check them off at Wisbeach because they were mega busy. It's a new truck handling centre type place thing. I don't know what it's called. And then I went up to Harwich. Judging by the amount of vehicles here, I'm going to be a while. I might be able to get in before. We'll see. So I've just pulled up at Auto Trail at Grimsby. So I'll cut you loose for now. If I don't thought myself on the microphone, I'll cut you loose for now, and I'll get back to you when I have a proper update after I've got loaded. If I need to rush, I'll explain why. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye for now. Hi guys. Well, I'm pretty sure that camera up there is not very effective with this sun because it's dead bright. Oh, I forgot again, haven't I? Every single time do I forget to put the microphone on. What's the window? There we go. So yeah, I've got 2 for Newark. Been to Newark before, you guys, several times I think. So there's not going to be a lot to show you, talk to you about of the actual job. Yeah, so it's yeah, not a very good day, morning start for you guys, but it is what it is. It's my job. Rough but smooth and all that good stuff. Still not got a job through on my phone to say that I'm going to Newark. As I said before in previous vlogs, we have a guy that works here, that works for us. It's based here. He does the planning. Scrapes the trailers that come out of there, always does. That's better, I can see you now. Well, you can see me, I can't see you obviously, can I? Dope. remember, speak to you about an app, a phone app that we found, we came across the other week. Say we, as in my wife and I. The app is called HollieGuard, HOLLIE Guard, HollieGuard. I'll try and stick a link in the description to it. It's free. It's free to download and use. And basically, in essence, it's a panic alarm. It's aimed towards younger people, shall we call vulnerable people, whether that be male, female, young, old, vulnerable people. You download the app on your phone, providing the app's running in the background, and you've logged in and registered and all that good stuff. If you feel in danger, you get a hold of your phone and you just shake your phone. There's various different settings on it, but we've downloaded it onto my daughter's phone because she started walking to school by herself now, and she started to get a little bit more independence. So the settings we've got on her phone is she shakes it for 2 seconds continuously, and it starts to record video and audio. If she continues to shake it for another 2 seconds, so a total of 4 seconds shaking it, she gets a really, really stupidly loud alarm going off, like an intruder alarm, and the light starts to flash. The flash on the camera starts to flash really bright, which is obviously brilliant at night. So she gets this. She puts this warning out to the person who's potentially going to attack her or hurt her or whatever. But the best thing about it is, providing you've set up the contact details on it, the person you've put in as an emergency contact receives a text message. So for our daughter's phone, our daughter's called Paige, and we put both her mum and me as contacts. So within a second of that alarm sounding, so after she's shaking it for 4 seconds, the alarm goes off, light flashes. We then get a text message each. We both get a text message, and it says something along the lines of "Paige is in trouble," and then there's a link. Click on the link, and it takes you straight to the footage and the audio file, and also a map of where she is, and also a route plan from you to get to her. If she's done it by mistake, as soon as the alarm sounds, a message comes up on her phone: "Are you okay? Yes or no?" If she presses yes, we then get a second text message saying, "I'm safe. Sorry to worry you, Paige." That's what it says. Words to that effect. If she presses no, I'm not quite sure what happens, to be fair. We need to look into that. But I'd like to think it might contact the old Bill. I don't know. But yeah, it's a brilliant app. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It's free, like I said. And I say I'll put a link in the description below. It's definitely worth looking at for your young children, for your females. I'm not going to cast tie on and say bushy or vulnerable females and all that, but anybody, like I said, for anybody vulnerable, feels like a little bit of security that way. Have a look at it. It's really good, really, really good. I might add, I'm in no way, shape or form paid by her. It's certainly not a sponsored video. It's just something that I found. Well, my wife found it. She found for his daughter, and I just wanted to share with you guys. And if you got, he's going slow. Have a look. HollieGuard. I'll stick something down below to show you the address, and if I can get the icon for it, the thumbnail, I will do. And like I say, I'll put a link in the description to HollieGuard. It's very, very well worth checking it out. Flashy off the rigid. Thank you. So where am I going now? Newark. So I'm on the A180 at the moment. Just continues onto the M180, and then I'll come off on the A15, go down towards Lincoln, past Kirby Corner, Up to Lincoln itself, turn right on the A46. Across the 46, takes me to Newark. Easy life. If you want to see the route, you can check out one of my vlogs. I think it's labelled something along the lines of launch of my new channel or something like that. I'll stick a link up somewhere. I don't know. I'll stick a link up for you to have a look if you want to go check that out. So I don't want to bleat on about subscribers every single time I do a video. We're closing in on 1,000 subs. I think of recording this. I checked it this morning, it was 893, which that's 893 thank yous from me to you. I really appreciate every single one of you. Checking my analytics, that's only 50% of the people that are viewing videos. So the other 50%, if you've enjoyed the content you've watched previously, the content that you're going to see today and what you've seen already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Right, look a bit loose skin. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and then you'll know when I've posted again. Oh man! So I did say I was going to do a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. Oh wow! Really doing well then, or what? Every single video do I screw up on my wording, speaking. I said I was going to do a giveaway from 1,000 subs when I hit 1,000 subs. Now we're getting close, so I think I might launch that today on my Facebook channel, on my Facebook page. So go have a look at that. Link will be in the description. Failing that, just go to Facebook and search for Wittering Trucker or Wittering Trucker, and you'll find the page. I'm going to post on there today, launching it. All I need you to do is go to that post, say that you're subscribed, say that you want to enter, and when we hit the 1,000 subs, I'll give an end date. I will be drawing it at such and such a date, and then I'll send you something through the post. Well, I'll get in touch with you and send you something through the post. I do have in mind what I want to do for you, and yeah, it should be pretty cool. Let's just say it's out of a workshop this weekend. I'm going to film it this weekend, so I will put it up as a mini vlog, probably next week's mini vlog, over this week's. It might be next week if I get a chance to finish it, but we'll see. Yeah, so go check out the Facebook page, check out the post on Facebook, give the page a like. You must like the page, and you must be subscribed to my channel, so I will be checking. And yeah, just comment on that post on Facebook. Any on this post or any YouTube content, I'm not really going to take into account. You're going to have to go to the Facebook page and comment there if you want to be considered to win it, or enter to win it. That'll do for now. I'll catch up with you probably after I've tipped to Newark, let you know where I'm going. So at this moment in time I have no idea. Well, I haven't even got a job through on my phone for this delivery yet, so I'm a bit blind today. But yeah, I'll catch up with you when I'm after I've tipped to Newark. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye for now. Hi, leaving Newark with trailer cam. Leaving Newark with trailer cam. Hi guys, I remember to put it on. Hey, I'm getting good on it. No, I'm not. Well, hopefully we've got a new view for the camera. Hopefully the magnet holds and the camera stays on the trailer. We'll see what happens. In fact, before we move, let's have a drink of juice. So we tipped at Newark. And we're heading back to Auto Trail at Grimsby again, picking up at the moment picking up two for Preston, the dealership at Preston, but planner Mr. Mark was having trouble finding them on the system, so we're going to head that way. And wait for the job to come through. Wow, I think that's the first time I've ever got out of there without having to stop. So I'll open the camera back there, shows you how the rear steer axle on the trailer works. You should see it. Hopefully I behave and I don't clip any curbs and show myself up. Let's see. I just thought you must get bored of seeing out the windscreen all the time, so I'll put that back there and we'll see how that gets on. Only problem with it is I've got no control of it back there. Range Rover just cut in front of me. Yeah, I've got no control over it back there, so when it comes to turning it off, I'm literally going to have to stop, which is not a major deal. Pull in the lay-by, stop, take it off, blah blah blah. It looks quite good from back there. We'll see what it's like. I had all sorts to talk to you about. I really should start writing a list. I have been chatting to another trucking YouTuber, Trucker Craig. I've been chatting to him over the last couple of days, private messaging on Facebook, and there's a possibility of a collaboration between the two of us. No idea how it's going to work yet, no idea what it's going to contain. Well, I kind of know what it's going to contain, but I'll keep that quiet for now. But how we're going to do it, I have no idea. We're just mulling over ideas at the moment. We'll see what happens. Yeah, if you've not checked out Trucker Craig, go have a look. I'll try and remember to put a card up. Let's have a look. He does fridge work. It's quite interesting. I like how he does the vlogs, I like to put the vlogs together. Another one to have a look at is Deady 2012. He's well, it's spelt Deady, as in D-E-A-D-Y, 2012, but he pronounced it Deady. He's from Bolton, Warrington Way, that side of Pennines, and he talks a bit funny, you know what I mean? No offence, Deady, if you watch this. You know, Lancashire, Yorkshire, rivalry and all that. But his vlogs are quite good. He drives anywhere. I think he's still on agency. He drives anywhere from 7.5 to 18 tonner. So his work's quite varied. Multi-dropping and that. It's quite good. Interesting. And he's a likeable guy as well. His channel's growing very, very quickly. So yeah, fair play to you, mate. I am jealous. Yeah, check them two out. Trucker Craig and Deady 2012. I'll try and put the cards in for it. I'll stick links in the description. Yeah, if I don't remember. One thing I got told off about in last week's vlog, somebody commented. I said I was going to put a photograph of my old truck when I drove to Trustwells. Completely forgot to put it on the screen. So I remember it. It's on the screen now. This is my old ride. I went a bit OTT with that thing. I forgot how much I'd done actually. I was looking back at some old photos the other day, and I forgot how much I've done. A lot of the cab was hydrographic dipped. If you don't know what that is, YouTube it. It's a great process of painting. I learned myself, taught myself, learned myself, whatever you want to call it, how to do that. And I did quite a bit of the interior, all with permission off the gaffer, obviously. Quite a bit of the interior and some of the exterior, to be honest. I did all wing mirror backs, fog lights around, all sorts of bits and pieces. Yeah, got a bit obsessive OCD if you want. But, it looked good. It looked really good. Really happy with that car came out. 7 degrees. I'm sweaty. Sweaty Betty. Yeah, hopefully I remember to put that on. I'll probably forget. I struggled to sit for an extra hour to watch the video, which I should do, and then I don't miss things. So I do apologise for that, but my time is so precious. If any of you guys have ever done these vlogs, or if you do vlogs and you watch this, you'll know exactly what I mean. It takes so much time to edit, and well, just for example, last week's vlog was an hour and 20 minutes. It turned out at, which is a bit long. I got told off by the wife. The lad went to watch it on telly, and it's like, oh yeah, sweetheart, an hour and 20. Anyways, so I will try and keep this week's shorter. We'll see. But an hour and 20 is worth of video for you to watch. Obviously, it takes quite a bit of filming. There's a lot of footage you don't even use. But to edit it took nearly 3 hours. Luckily I did that on Friday night, as I mentioned earlier today. I did the editing on Friday night. And all I had to do when I got home was process the film. Obviously you've got your editing state and you process it, making it into a film, you know, a video that you actually get to see, which can take a couple of hours. And we were having a battery problem, so I just went to shut the computer down as soon as I could on Friday. So I didn't process it. I didn't finish the vlog, but I didn't process it. That itself takes over an hour to process. Oh, flippin' heck. Oh, it comes. And then to upload it to YouTube is taking, well, an hour and 20 took. But an hour and 20 video yeah, last week took only about 2.5 hours to upload. And then once it's uploaded, then you can do other bits. Like right at the end you'll get the clickable links. You can't do that until it's actually uploaded and processed to YouTube. So you can't actually do that bit until it's processed. It's not like you can do everything and then bang it to YouTube and let it do what it's going to do. You can't do it. You've got to go back to it. It just takes time. So the wife, I've got a bit of bod on with it. Yeah, she's a good girl, my missus. We've been together 15 years. We've been together. Been married for 10. Look at my finger. Well, I've been married 9, coming up 10. Well, 10 actually. I look at my finger because I'm a wedding band. I'm a wedding finger. I've got the date of my anniversary date. Tattoo. Can't forget, can I? Very stupid. Yeah, we just celebrated his 9th wedding anniversary. And we got our 2 babies. Just a little bit about my family life, my history. I've got 2 babies to Sharon and my missus. It's Paige at 11, going on 15 with her attitude. And then my little thug, who you've seen, Mini Wittering as he's called himself. He's 11. He's such a lovable little character. Paige has just got the attitude of a 13-year-old at the moment. There's times when she's such a lovable girl, and then other times she's just not very nice. She knows. I've told her. If she watches this video, you know it. You know it, darling. I've told you. But she's a lovely girl. Heart of gold. And then I do have two other daughters from a previous marriage. Oh, somebody went up on all that. Yeah, I've got two daughters to a previous marriage. I got married young, and we had two children young. And I've got two daughters. One's 23, one's 21. And a 21-year-old gave me a granddaughter this year. So I'm a granddaddy. As a grandpops, as we call him in our family. But my dad was grandpops to my kids, so I've inherited that name from him. So I'm grandpops. 46, so I've got a grandkid. Let's see that coming at this age. There we go. Right, well, I'll leave you to it for now. I'll leave the camera running back there. Hopefully it's running. I don't know. Hopefully it is. If it is, I'll stick it to some time lapse for you. We're back on the A46 heading up towards Lincoln, onto the 15, onto the M180, continues onto the A180, off at Euro Park, into Grimsby, blah blah blah. I've done it all before, many times. I'll catch up with you sometime later today. I don't know when, don't know where. We'll meet again, as the old song says. That was cheesy, wasn't it? That was really bad, sorry. Right, speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye for now.
Jesse was born on a winter's night in the middle of a storm. The road was blocked, so Jesse was born in this old house. Raised on love in those sunny years when there was magic in the world. Her laughter traveled well across those hardwood floors. God knows we didn't have much, but in a way, you know we had it all. She grew up fast in a breath or two. She was on her way out the door while her clothes were drying on a line outside the porch. With that worn-out truck and a lot of hope, she left one Thursday morn. Like the storm she came with never let her go. God knows we didn't have much, but we gave all that we had to give. So just keep going, find your way in this world. If you need us, we'll be there.
Hi guys, welcome back. Where am I? M62 westbound. Oh, you won't know, will you? I'm heading to Preston. I've got two motorhomes on, well, a motorhome and a camper van. Heading to Preston. Just going up towards Little House on a Prairie, if you know it. If you don't know it, Google it. There's a house or farm. She knows, man. There's a farm just coming up on the right hand side now. It's actually between the two carriageways, between the east and the westbound carriageways. It's nicknamed locally as the Little House on the Prairie. Random. All sorts of different stories of why that house is there. One of them being that the landowner point blank refused to move out when the M62 was being built. But apparently the truth is the land where his house is just isn't suitable for a motorway, so they split the motorway anyway. Believe what you like. There's actually a really good documentary on YouTube about that, about the house. Interesting. It interviews the owners that were the owners when the motorway came through. When they put the motorway through, I think that was 76, I think. Don't know. I'm sure somebody will correct me. Don't know. I really don't know. I might be talking out my proverbial bottom. Talking about bottom, I need new pants earlier. Tooling on, minding my own business. Driving along, listening to a bit of tunes. Boom! Bloody pigeon! Flew out from Grass Verge, Central Res. Flew across the front of me, hit up in the top corner of my cab. Jeez man, it didn't have to go with a bang. I expected damage on the front of the truck, but nothing I can see. I was expecting a good dent, it didn't have to go with a bang. Massive cloud of feathers behind me. Stupid pigeons. So yeah, that was definitely a new pants moment, if you know what I mean. Or a clean pants moment. Brown pants moment, actually. M60. So I've got 41 miles to go, 52 minutes. I have to be there before 4:30. I've got a current ETA of 4:06. So as it stands, we're okay. So it's just a quick update, let you know where I am, where I've got to. So get on up there. I'll get back to you coming off the motorway. Speak to you soon. Bye for now. Hi guys, I've got 2 miles to go. 2 miles to go. I've been here a couple of times before and I don't remember this route, but it is right. It is right. I don't remember it, but it's right. I remember there's a nasty little turn at a crossroads as well. The left hand turn. We'll see. Slow it down. I took a phone call earlier off a chap called Leon. Leon has put together a very delightful truck, a very good sentiment behind the truck. He's driving what's now been known as the PTSD truck. I'm sure it's BDM, the company they work for. Yeah, have a look at the photo. He's devoted the truck to PTSD. The chap himself, Leon, he is suffering from PTSD himself. All I'll say at this point is watch this space, because there will be something coming up with Leon. I need to be in that lane. Are you going to let me across in here, Adam? Yeah, of course. Somebody with a bit of courtesy. Let me over. Thank you. I'll be turning right at this roundabout. If I remember correctly, it's a 7.5 ton weight limit except for access. The only other way in is over a weight limited bridge, which we're not allowed to use at all. It's an 18 ton bridge. There's no access. You know, it's like this is a 7.5 unless access. I don't need access, so I'm allowed to use it. Well, one thing I've not mentioned today is Fat Club. Fat Club on Wednesday. Well, it wasn't Wednesday, was it? It was Monday when I posted the video. Dropped £2 last week. Really don't understand or know why. You see in front of me there, except for access. Yeah, I don't know how, don't know why, but I have. I'll take it. You've got to believe me. If I'd put weight on, I would say I'd put weight on. I'm going to be 100% honest on this. I genuinely lost another £2, so that's a total of £11. Come on, I can't get through. Saw me coming and still carried on. Yeah, so £11 total. What, 5 week? I know it could have been better, but it is what it is. I'm happy at that. I'm hoping to drop £3 this week, and that's my stone. It's my first stone off. Only about another 4 to go, ish. We'll see what happens. My biggest problem is my head. Not that it's fat. As I said to you last week, I don't want to go on and on about my issues in the past with depression and that. But if I'm down and low, a lot of people turn to alcohol. Me personally, I turn to food. I'll just eat for England. Don't do it, boys. Stupid boys. Yeah, I can just eat for England. I'm a glut. I will literally just eat. Makes me feel fantastic at the time. Then afterwards, I'm like, you mug. You know, why did you do that? But I'm not likely going to stick my fingers down my throat and start that one. I'm not playing that game. Have to wait for these two because I'm not getting through there, I don't think. I might do. Look. Yeah. Squeezed. Now, this is the left turn we've got to take. And if there's cars parked at the other side in the wrong spot, I should be in trouble. Oh, but it is tight. This car will pop its pants when it sees headboard coming towards him. Started to move over, but it was way too late. I already got past him. The nicest of jobs, this one. I'm going to keep coming. Yeah, I'm going to keep coming. Thank you, sir. I'm a load of there, look. Oh, nearly got that car then. I missed that car. Nearly got it. I don't know where to park, because I normally park down there, but there's absolute crap loads of cars down there. I just pulled across behind me, even though I'm starting to reverse. Thank you very much. And I do. I'll scoot back this way, like so. I'm just going to drive straight across there. How long? How long gonna be? How long gonna be? Are you here for a while? Are you here for a while?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just park right behind you, that's all. I didn't want to block you in. I've just got to offload these two vehicles.
Yeah.
No worries, thank you. Yeah, off to play snooker. Right, ladies and gents, I'll get rid of these two vehicles. I'll get back to you afterwards. Itch. Oh, I need a shave. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye. Wow. Well, it's tight getting in. It was even worse coming out. It wasn't too bad, and then some lovely lady decided to come and park a car right in the worst place she could possibly park a car. I shouted her, she looked back, looked at me, and then just walked off. I was going to ask if she'd just move it a little bit, you know, make life a little bit easier for me. Nah, she must have thought I was going to take a purse or something, I don't know. She looked at me like a piece of poo. So I just had to struggle to get out, but we're out, we didn't damage now. Apparently they've been waiting in this motorhome dealership where I've just been Todd's They've been waiting 6 months for one of the vans. He says, I hope you haven't damaged it. Nah, don't do that. So anyway, we're heading to Immingham, picking up 2 trucks out of Immingham, going to one of the docks on the west coast. It'll either be Bootle or Birkenhead because they're getting shipped over to Ireland. Find out later when I get my details on my phone. Obviously that's not going to happen until tomorrow now. Let's put it in the old sat nav. We'll have a look, see how long it's going to be. Sat nav's really slow today. Twiddle, twiddle, come on. Killingham. We're actually loading out of Immingham docks. But putting Killingham, it gets me pretty much there, doesn't it? And of course we're going to get stopped by the red light. Well, most of us are. Obviously I'm turning right here. I've got to be careful now that my trailer doesn't swing to the point where it takes out that wall in the corner. Just in front of the lamppost, in front of the light post, what's it called? Red thing, traffic light. Long day. So we'll see. I've got an 8 minutes 20 delay on sat nav. 142 mile. 3 hours and 1 minute. I ain't going far tonight. 1944. I've got an hour and 9 minutes left on this drive period. I've got a total of 2 hours and 44 on a 10-hour drive. And I've got to be parked up by 4:30. Wrong, 7:30. I started at 4:30. So I think I might just go to Hayward truck stop for tonight. Get up early in the morning, get across there. Looks like that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, Hayward. That's a 66, isn't it? I'm 66. Yeah, because I have to touch 25. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Come back up to it. What I was thinking was I could run across the M65. I think I'm correct in what I'm saying. Run across the M65. I'm sure I can pick up the 66 then. No, it's not the 66, it's another road. Don't know. I'll put it in the sat nav shortly and I'll get back to you guys and let you know what's happening. I'll speak to you soon, peeps. Bye for now. Right guys, it's only about 10 minutes since the last bit so. Change of plan, I'm now going into Rivington services on the M61. I've stopped, googled the address for Hayward, the distribution centre there, because there's a truck park we can park at, and it would have put me over a 13-hour day, put me into about 13 hours and 10 minutes without any traffic, and I've only got 1:15 left for the week, so it's pointless wasting it. I'll hold on to it in case I need it tomorrow or Friday. So I'm going to toot on down to 61. I've got 7 minutes to go, 3 miles. And I'll park in these Euro garages services. I have to pay, we don't have an account with them, but I'll get it back in my wage next week, so it's not too bad. I don't think it's massively expensive here either. I'm sure the wife will have something to say when we're spending money, but there's nothing I can do about it. I'm not wasting the driving hours, not the working time, should I say. Potentially, if I do that, I'm throwing away best part of 2 hours wages. Or potential of 2 hours wages, if you understand what I mean. So I don't get that hour and 50 minutes back. If I run over 10 minutes into a 15, it's gone. That's it for a week. I ain't seen that again. So it's not worth it. Remember I said about hit a pigeon? Just hit a second one. 2 for the day. I think it bounced off the car next to me and actually hit the air post. Just about right here between my windscreen and my front door. My front door? I've only got one door. The driver's door. It wasn't very hard hit mine, but it was 2 pigeons in one day. So just recap on today then. It's going to be a one-day vlog. I'm going to end it tonight when I get into the services. And determined to keep these vlogs a bit shorter. So if that means it's only a one-day vlog, if I'm doing several drops like I have done today, I can condense it down to one day. If it's a long drive, it's going to be very little content for you, so I might take it over a couple of days. But I'm going to try and keep the vlogs a lot shorter. Without getting into too much detail, the analytics are saying that people are not watching the second half anyway, so it's pointless. Well, a majority of people are not watching the second half of the vlogs. So either my content's not good enough or they're just getting bored. But each to their own. If you don't like it, you don't watch it. Simple. So, yeah, when I park up tonight, I will say goodbye to you. So today, what have we done today? You saw me deliver a couple of Scanias this morning. And then 2 different collection and delivery of motorhomes. Too bad, I guess. Don't forget to check out Trucker Craig and Deady 2012. Check out their channels. Not that I need my recommendations because they're both doing really well. But yeah, both different, interesting. Both got a different style to each other. But yeah, I quite like both their channels. There's a few channels that I don't watch because I don't find them entertaining. Trucking vlogs. But these 2 chaps, I do. So if you've liked what you've seen today, or you've liked what you've seen in my previous videos, if you've not already done so, please go subscribe, hit that notification bell, or hit the bell button, and you'll get the bell. Hit the bell, and then you'll get notified every single time I upload. As always, I upload Wednesday night at 7 PM, which is the mini vlog, and on a Sunday you'll get this vlog. This is a weekly vlog, comes out at 10 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Please like the videos if you like them. If you don't like them, dislike them. I don't mind either way. Just do the courtesy if you dislike it. Let me know why. I do have somebody, and I'm pretty sure it's the same person, that dislikes every video I put up. I get 1 dislike on every single video I put up. So I can't help but think it's the same person. So you man, young lady, whoever you are, if you dislike my work that much, I'm going to stick it in this corner. If you dislike my work that much, send me a message and let me know why. What's so bad about it? What do you like about it? Is it just that I'm a trucker and I'm a vlogging? Because I think that's who you are. So for now, I will thank you for riding along with me. Oh, your throat just went dry then. Jeez, man. Yeah, thanks for driving. Wow, hang on, let me do this right. I can't finish the vlog like that, can I? Never did. Yeah. Right, we'll try that again, shall we? Thanks for riding along with me. Well, as I said, subscribe if you're not. Hit the like, let me know that you like the video. Most of all, comment. Send me a comment, let me know what you thought of the video. And also, send me a comment for question of the week. For the mini vlogs. I'm making a right hash of this, aren't I? Again! Let me get right into this curb. Yeah, question of the week. Send me a message, a comment, question, anything you like. Personal, work related. You know, things like, why does it take you 4 hours to get parked up? Because I can't freaking reverse this time of night. There we go. I'm about right now. I think the wheels kicked over, which is not helping matters. Backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. I'm so glad I'm not recording this. Screw it, that'll do. Ain't going anywhere else now. That's it, we're done. Like, share, subscribe, comment, share me around all your friends. And check out the Facebook page for the 1000 sub giveaway. Cheers guys, I'll catch you next week. Bye for now.